Good afternoon, students. Welcome back once again to the mathematics class. In today's lecture, we are going to study solution of allied angles using sum and difference of compound angles. Already हमारे को पता है what are the compound angles and what are the allied angles, right? यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं? We are solving allied angles once again by using compound angles. Already you know the formula for compound angles. First one is sine of A plus B. Yes, compound angles, that is sine of A plus B. It is nothing but sine A cos B plus cos A sine B, right? Like second one, sine of A minus B, sine A cos B minus of cos A sine B. Next, cos of A plus B, cos A into cos B minus sine A into sine B. Next, fourth one is difference, that is cos of A minus B, that is cos A cos B plus of sine A sine B. By using these four compound angle formulas, we can find allied angles. Now, allied angles are nothing but, you know well already, to find a unit circle we considered in the earlier classes. It is 90 degree, it is 0, 90, 180, 270, finally it is 360 degree, right? To find, already you know the rule, ASTC rule, that is all student take coffee. It is first quadrant, it is second quadrant, it is third quadrant, and this one is fourth quadrant, right? In the first quadrant, all the 6 trigonometric functions are positive, whereas in second quadrant, sine and cosec are the 2 functions are positive. In third quadrant, tan and cot are positive, and in fourth quadrant, cos and sec are the 2 functions are positive, and remaining 4 functions are negative, right? By using this ASTC rule, we find their signs, whether it is positive or negative with respect to their quadrant, right? Now here, in the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. First quadrant, what we get here? 90 minus theta and 360 plus theta. The second quadrant, what we get? 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta. And in the third quadrant, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta. And in the fourth quadrant, 270 plus theta or 360 minus theta. These are the angles, that is nothing but allied angles, right? Multiple of 0, or you can multiple of 90 degree, that is n pi by 2. We are told already in the solution of allied angles, n pi by 2. When n is odd multiple, it is 1 or 3, then what we get? Sign changes to cos only on multiple of odd integers, right? N pi by 2 when n is equals to 1. N pi by 2 is the right. N pi by 2 stands for n is nothing but your set of integers, right? Positive integers you can take. Pi by 2, this is 90 degree. When you multiply n equals to 1 means it becomes pi by 2. When n equals to 3 means it is 3 pi by 2, right? 3 pi by 2 means again it is 270 degree. When n is odd integer, then sign changes to cos, right? Sign changes to cos, and cos changes to sine. Tan changes to cot, cot changes to tan, right? Similarly, sec to cosec, right? Here, 180 and 360, when it is even multiple, 2 or 4, then what we get 2 means here 2 pi by 2 means it is pi, 2 get cancelled. Here it is 2 pi, it means 360. Pi means 180, 2 pi means 360, it is right. On x axis 180 and 360, either it is 180 plus or 180 minus, either it is 360 minus 360 plus. What we get? Sine to sine only. The t ratio does not changes to co-ratio. It remains sine to sine only. Sine to sine only. In 180 plus or minus theta and 360 plus or minus theta. Just keep in mind 90 plus or minus theta, 270 plus or minus theta. I will write here 90 plus or minus theta and 270 plus or minus theta. Right? Here sign changes to t ratio changes to co-ratio. Right? When 180 plus or minus theta, 360 plus or minus theta, t ratio does not changes. Changes to co-ratio, which remains same. Which remains same only. चेंज नहीं होता यहाँ पे 180 एंड 360 में चेंज नहीं होता, whereas 90 एंड 270 दस टी रेशो चेंजेस टू को रेशो. ये तो ऑलरेडी हमने अलाइड एंगल्स में पढ़े थे. अभी यही बाय यूजिंग कंपाउंड एंगल्स साइन 90 माइनस थीटा क्या होता? बाय यूजिंग साइन 90 माइनस थीटा मीन्स साइन ऑफ ए माइनस बी. ओ फॉर्मेशन में एक्सपैंड करना साइन ए कॉस बी माइनस कॉस ए साइन बी. ऑलरेडी स्टैंडर्ड एंगल्स का वैल्यूज मालूम है हमें. देखेंगे अभी क्या होता. फर्स्ट लेट अस कंसीडर साइन ऑफ 90 माइनस थीटा. सी क्या होता. फर्स्ट आई विल कंसीडर फर्स्ट वन इज फॉर 90 माइनस थीटा, और यू कैन टेक पाई बाई 2 माइनस थीटा भी बोल सकते हो, और पाई बाई 2 माइनस थीटा. राइट? अभी साइन 90 माइनस थीटा में फॉर्म करने फाइंड आउट करने वाला वैल्यू साइन 90 माइनस थीटा. नाउ कंपेयर साइन 90 माइनस थीटा विथ दिस वन. आई विल राइट नंबर्स फॉर दिस वन 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now sin 90 minus theta is similar to what? Sin of A minus B. Compound angle sin A minus B. Here sin as it is, A means 90 degree, B means theta. Sin 90 minus theta can be expand in the form of sin A minus B. Now sin A cos B means sin 90 cos B means cos theta minus cos A sin B cos 90 and sin theta. Right? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Right? भी हमारे को स्टैंडर्ड वैल्यूज मालूम है. sin 90 minus theta which is equals to sin 90 degree is which is how much? Yes, sin 90 degree is 1 into cos theta. There is no value, only theta is angle. Right? Next cos 90 is 0 into sin theta. Therefore sin 90 minus theta which is equals to cos into 1 is cos theta, whereas sin theta into 0 is 0 neglected. Therefore sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. As we know earlier by finding allied angles, sin 90 minus theta is which lies in first quadrant. In the first quadrant all are positive. Sin 90 minus theta all are positive, plus sign is the right, all are positive. And when 90 minus theta and 90 plus or minus theta, 270 plus or minus theta, sin ranges to cos. Similarly here sin 90 minus theta, what we get? Cos theta. Like this we can find similarly cos 90 minus theta now, or you can take cos 90 minus theta. Second one, it is first one. Now second one cos 90 minus theta. Let's see what it shows. 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta means fourth one. Compare second this one cos 90 minus theta with the fourth formula, compound formula, that is cos A minus B, which can be expanded in the form of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B means cos 90 degree into cos theta plus of sin 90 degree into sin theta, right? Now cos 90 again, yes, cos 90 is again 0 into cos theta plus sin 90 is 1. Therefore 0 into cos theta is 0, sin into 1 is, therefore cos 90 minus theta, which is equals to what? Sin theta. By using, we are finding allied angles using compound angles. These four are the compound angle formulas. By using compound angles formulas, we are finding the allied angles again. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Now check this by using this formula, ASTC rule and first quadrant, second, third quadrant to find allied angles, right? Directly you can see, check here. Cos 90 minus theta is again which is lies in the first quadrant. All are positive here, the sign is positive, right? Now 90 plus or minus theta, cos changes to sin, therefore it is sin 90 minus theta, right? Similarly, if I solve tan 90 minus theta, let's say what it shows. Third one, I will remove this one. Now tan 90 minus theta, third one. Tan 90 minus theta can be written as sin 90 minus theta by cos 90 minus theta. Can we write like this in the ratio? Yes, लिख सकते हैं इसे. Sin 90 minus theta divided by cos 90 minus theta, right? Now expand in the numerator. Already we have sin 90 minus theta. What we get here? Or you can substitute the value cos theta by sin theta. Sin 90 minus theta, what we get earlier? Cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Therefore cos by sin is what we get here. Tan 90 minus theta is cos by sin is cot theta. Cot by sin क्या होता है यहाँ पे? Cos by sin is cot theta. Therefore tan 90 minus theta is directly we can write cot theta. Similarly we can find cot 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta, which is equals to what? Tan theta, and sec 90 minus theta, which is cosec theta, and finally cosec 90 minus theta, which is equals to sec theta, right? By using compound angles, we can find the allied angle formula, right? That is earlier, first one what we have considered here, 90 minus theta. Similarly, if we consider 90 plus theta, which lies in second quadrant, let's see. These are the first quadrant formulas, that is 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, or tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is tan, sec 90 minus theta is cosec, cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta, right? Similarly, if you find 90 plus theta, what we get, let's see. कंपेयर करके देखो, अलाइड एंगल्स पहले हमने सॉल्व करे थे by using this quadrant and ASTC rule. Now by using compound angles, हमें sin एंगल क्या लेंगे, 90 plus theta और pi by 2 plus theta, right? Is pi by 2 plus theta. Now first one, sin 90 plus theta. Sin A plus B is the compound angle formula is there. Now which is similar to sin 90 plus theta. Now expand in the form of sin of A plus B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, right? Sin 90 degrees again what? Which is equals to 1 into cos theta plus cos 90 is 0 into sin theta. Therefore, which is equals to what? Cot theta. Similarly, if we compare here also, in the first quadrant what we get here? Sin 90, all are positive. In the second quadrant, sin and cosec are positive. Now, sin 90 plus theta, which lies in second quadrant, because sin is there, sin is a positive here. Therefore, sin 90 plus theta can be expanded in the form of sin A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Now, sin 90 degree is 1, cos theta as it is, plus cos 90 degree is 0, sin theta as it is. Therefore, cos theta only, which is equals to cos theta, that is sin theta into 0 is 0 neglected. Similarly, which is sin 90 plus theta, right? Next, second one, cos 90 plus theta now, which is similar to cos of A plus B, that is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now cos 90 degrees again, which is equals to 0, that is cos theta as it is, minus sin 90 is 1, which is 0, sin theta as it is. Sin 90 is 1 into sin theta as it is. Now this term is 0, 1 into sin theta is minus sin theta. Therefore, cos 90 plus theta, which is equals to minus of sin theta. Check here. Cos 90 minus theta, which lies in second quadrant, right? Now in the second quadrant, sin and cosec are the two functions are positive, remaining four are negative. Here cos is negative in the second quadrant, therefore we got minus, and 90 plus or minus theta, 270 plus or minus theta on vertical line, what we get? T ratio changes to co-ratio, that is cos changes to sin. Therefore, cos 90 plus theta, which is equals to minus sin of theta. Similarly, tan 90 minus theta, third one. Tan 90 minus theta. Now tan 90 minus theta can be written as sin 90 minus theta divided by cos 90 minus theta, right? Already we know the formula. Sin 90 minus theta value is, yes, cos theta. Next, cos 90 minus theta value is, yes, how much? Cos 90 minus theta. It is 90 plus there, no? Right. 90 plus theta means 90 plus theta, theta. Sin 90 plus theta is cos theta, and cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta, which is equals to what we get? Minus cos by sin is cot theta directly. See, tan 90 plus theta, again which is second quadrant, sin is negative because tan is negative in the second quadrant, therefore minus sign we get here. Again 90 plus theta, odd multiples of pi by 2, T ratio changes to co-ratio, therefore tan 90 plus theta, which is equals to minus cos theta. Similarly, if you find cot 90 plus theta, cot 90 plus theta, what we get here? I remove this one. Similarly, we can find cot 90 plus theta, yes, cot 90 plus theta, which is equals to minus of tan theta. Cot over, next, sec 90 and cosec 90. Sec 90 plus theta, cosec 90 plus theta, yes. sec is positive or negative in the second quadrant, which is negative, therefore minus cosec theta. And cosec, finally, cosec 90 plus theta is there. Cosec is positive in the second quadrant, therefore what we get here? Plus sec theta, right? These are the allied angles which can find by using compound angles. Similarly, we can find 180 degree also. Let's say one more on 180 degree. Now 90 minus theta formulas we solved, and 90 plus theta, and now 180 minus theta. Let's see, 180 minus theta, which is in second quadrant, it is 180 minus theta, or you can take pi minus theta, right? Now first one, sine of 180 minus theta, sine of 180 minus theta. Now expand, which is in the form of sine of a minus b. Now sine a cos b, this one, minus of cos a sine b. Now sine of 180 degree, which is equals to s, sine of 180 degree is 0 cos theta, minus cos of 180 degree is minus 1 into sine theta. Now first term neglected, 0 into cos theta is 0, minus minus plus, sine into 1 is sine theta. Therefore sine of 180 minus theta, which is equals to sine theta, because sine is positive, 180 minus theta, which lies in second quadrant. Therefore sine is positive and sine remains sine only. T ratio does not change to co-ratio on 180 plus or minus theta and 360 plus or minus theta. Similarly, if you find cos 180 minus theta, now it is cos a minus b form, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, right? Now cos 180 degrees again minus 1 into cos theta plus sin 180 degrees 0 into sin theta. Now see, minus 1 into cos theta is minus cos theta, this is neglected. Cos of 180 minus theta is minus cos theta, because in the second quadrant cos is negative. Only sine and cosec are positive in the second quadrant. Cos is negative, therefore minus sine. T ratio is remains same only, therefore cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Similarly, tan 180 minus theta, third one. Tan 180 minus theta, which can be written as, yes, tan 180 minus theta, sin 180 minus theta divided by cos 180 minus theta. It is sin 180 minus theta, cos 180 minus theta, that is sin theta divided by minus of cos theta. Therefore sin by cos is minus of tan theta. It is tan 180 minus theta is minus tan theta, right? Similarly, we can find cosec, sec and cot, right? देखेंगे वो तीन क्या होते हैं अभी. Can I remove this? Right. Similarly, cot 180 minus theta and sec 180 minus theta, cosec 180 minus theta. क्या मिलता cot 180 minus theta which is equals to s? Anybody? Minus cot theta. Sec 180 minus theta. That is minus sec theta. And cosec 180 minus theta is positive cosec theta because cosec is positive in second quadrant, right? These are the method by using compound angles we can solve allied angles. Similarly, you can find 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 360 minus theta, 270 plus theta by using compound angles, right? Got it? मालूम हो गया अभी कैसा सॉल्व करना? अब डायरेक्ट तो बाय क्वाड्रेंट एंड ASTC रूल से तो सॉल्व कर रहे थे, ऑलरेडी सॉल्व करे थे पहले अलाइड एंगल्स. अभी बाय यूजिंग कंपाउंड एंगल्स आल्सो वी कैन क्रॉस चेक्ड और वी हैव सॉल्व्ड. We are getting the same solution as we solved in allied angles by using quadrant rule or ASTC rule, right? This much is in this lecture series. Next we will see some problems in the next lecture. Till then, take care, stay at home. Thank you.